everybody! I use my vegan superpowers to run all the way to Thailand to buy ingredients for my green curry. Wow! Look at all these wonderful fresh veggie stands. Let's see. I'll take galangal, Solano melangena, kaffir leaves, free quinoa, free kifa, cumin, tofu, coriander.
Very good, very good. What are you making?
Hi! I'm going to make Thai green curry.
Oh, then you will need fish paste as well. I'll go catch a fish for you.
Ah! They're going to make me into fish paste!
Don't worry, little fishy. I'll save you.
No! I don't want to be a fish paste! Help!
Well, hello, beautiful fishy. I'm Bernadette. What's your name?
Arayna? Please don't make me into fish paste!
Don't worry, Arayna. I'm a vegan. We love all animals, so we don't eat them.
How can you stay underwater like a fish?
I have vegan superpowers, of course.
Thank you, Bernadette. You're so very sweet.
You are very sweet yourself, Arayna. I have somebody I'd like you to meet.
Okay, who is it?
Hello, I'm Elmer. Oh gosh, you're pretty.
Oh, thank you, Elmer. You're very nice.
Do you want to go see the coral reef together?
That would be wonderful, Elmer.
Oh, no, that is so sweet.